Today for breakfast, I am making my wife and I a shrimp omelet. Gonna pair it with some leftover steak, a little bit of cheese in there. Let's get going. So for my wife, I'm gonna do 3 eggs. So first things first, from the cooking standpoint, I'm going to take my shrimp. Got these pre-cooked at Costco. I don't want to put them in my omelet cold. That's not going to help the cheese as far as melting goes, and you don't want to bite into some cold shrimp with a nice fresh omelet. I'm cutting them in half just because you don't want to take a bite of omelet and end up getting a whole piece of shrimp with it. It's probably too much. So we're just going to saute those cold shrimp up, heat them up a little bit with some butter, just to take the chill off. I'm not trying to cook them anymore because they're already pre-cooked. Little salt and pepper. We're not animals, you know. Generous amount of butter for these eggs. Make sure you get your sides too. Eggs like to stick up there. 3 eggs in. Build a little volume to this, help it cook a little faster too. These shrimp guys are nice and steamy warm. Little butter flavor never hurt. Nice, so we got that. I'm gonna turn the heat off. Got to make 2 omelets out of these, remember? Pour half of it out, flip the other half over. A little cheese. Now, nice little trick when you're doing omelets and you're putting cheese on them. Take the pot that you just used. It's going to be really warm. You can set that right over the plate. All right, so this should have melted it up pretty good. Maybe not entirely, but check this out. So it gives you a good start on the cheese. All right, and this is for my lovely wife. Nice little high protein, good healthy fat start to a breakfast. Really good flavors too with that shrimp in there. It's a Costco pre-cooked shrimp, usually about 13 to 15 bucks a pack, depending on the weight. And that's all there is to it. But here's that Costco shrimp. You guys have seen this. And I am ready to eat. Check that out. What do you guys think? Let me know. So what do you think, babe?
It's really good.
Really delicious?
Yeah.
Is this really diet food tasting to you?
Get yourself a man that cooks.
Look at this. Yeah, diet food, right. Thanks for watching, people.